What is report and the purpose of reports in real time?
Report is displaying the application data in the required format. Technically speaking, a report is an executable program with three stage function. Purpose: it helps to analyze the current situation and also for decision making to decide the right institute using the above report. Real time report scenarios. Example: to stop the purchase from the specific vendors, the purchasing department need a report for vendor evaluation, and to terminate the employees from the organization, the HR department need one report with employee performance etc.
How to place the push button on selection screen?
By using selection screen push button POSLEN push button name user command UCOM.
What is sequence of event triggered in report?
Initialization at selection screen, start of selection, get late, end of selection, top of page, top top of page during line selection, end of page at line selection, at user command, at pfnn.
The importance of at selection screen output.
This is modify the selection screen. Note: for more details refer question 3.
What is text element and the importance of text element in report?
Text elements allow you to store text without hard coding them in your program. You can maintain text elements outside the program in which they are used. Choose Go to text element in the editor. They are particularly important for text in application that will be translated into other language. ABAP has the following kinds of text element: program title, list heading, column heading, selection text for text belonging to selection criteria and program parameters, text symbols, constant text.
What are the different types of user interaction in interactive reports and the corresponding events triggered for each type of user interaction?
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What is the role of SYUCOMM in interactive reports?
When the user interact with any of the application on the toolbar, the event at user command will be triggered at the same time. The function code of the selected button will be saved into the system variable SYUCOMM.
How to print different page headers on each page using the top of page?
Top of page case SYPAGNO. When 1, write page 1. When 2, write page 2. When others, write others. End case.
How to skip n lines on the selection screen?
Selection screen skip n.
Can we place more than one selection screen element in one line? If yes, how?
Yes, selection screen begin offline, list of parameter to be included, selection screen end of line. Note: when we group more than one selection screen element in the same line, the selection text default names are disappeared and so the same name be done through selection screen 10 comment text 0005.
What are the system fields you have worked with? Explain.
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What is for all entires and the mandatory things to be checked while using for all entries?
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
How many times the event initialization triggers while displaying the list of 20 pages and also top of page?
Initialization triggers only one time and top of page will trigger 20 times.
What are the useful system variables in interactive reports?
SYLISEL selected line content, SYLSIND list index, SYLILLI selected line number, SYUCOMM function code of the selected function key.
Explain the purpose of each event in both classical and interactive reports.
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
What happens if the same event is written twice in the program?
Start of selection right, welcome to Emacs. Start of selection right, welcome to Emacs. Both the start of selection will be executed in the same order. Output, welcome to Emacs, welcome to Emacs.
List down any 15 tables and 5 fields from each table from modules MM, ST, FI and HR.
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
The role of dynamic internal table screen in screen modifier and how to modify the screen selection screen.
Appear only in certain conditions. Area in change display mode according to user input becomes mandatory subject to specific input. Change its format depending upon certain condition. Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.
How to validate the selection screen and how important it is to validate the selection screen.
Note, before we leave the input screen, the input should be validated either to retrieve the data from the database or to update the database tables, as the input data should be always valid. We can say the input is valid only when the corresponding master data table has at least one entry for the given input V. So use select up to one rows to read one record if found valid, else display the user-friendly information on the selection screen itself. Note, displaying the information on the selection screen is always through message. The message should be called through the events at selection screen on field. To validate single field at selection screen is to validate all the selection screen elements. Message calling message ENNN message class with value 1 value 2.
How to place the push buttons on application toolbar of the selection screen.
Sorry sir, I don't know the answer of this question.